So this is the Huawei's Matebook X Pro, the newly launched Matebook that was announced at the MWC with a slim bezel and this camera that pops out from the keyboard. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and this is the hands-on with the Huawei Matebook X Pro. This laptop comes with a new attractive design, the slim bezels, which are again worth a mention because there is no such laptop that brings so thin bezels in this price range or in the market itself. And then the display quality is as well killer, and the entire design of this laptop is quite good. The power button brings in the fingerprint sensor, which helps in additional security, and you don't need a separate place for the fingerprint sensor to be placed. And thanks to this thin bezels, there was no actual place for placing a camera on the top. And unlike the Dell XPS 13, which has a very weird position for the camera, Huawei has placed the camera in one of the keys itself. When you press the key, it would pop out the camera, and that is something very good from the company in this laptop. The Matebook X Pro comes in different variants ranging from the i5 processor to the i7 processor, and then there are different internal specs with the storage as well, with 8GB of RAM, 216GB of RAM and 256GB SSD to 512GB SSD. The initial countries where the company is going to launch this laptop includes China, US, Saudi Arabia, Germany, Spain, Italy and the Nordic region. The Matebook X also comes with the intelligent cooling that varies the fan control based on the thermal changes in the system. The unique feature of the laptop is a spill-proof keyboard which prevents it from getting damaged in case of a spill. And this can be very helpful as it is very common for devices to be spilled over by liquids and cause damage to the keyboard and the electrical components that are present beneath it. There is also a backlight for the keyboard that helps improve the device usability at night and when it is dark. For the connectivity, the Matebook X Pro comes with two USB Type-C ports and a USB-A port, and as mentioned, there is a power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor. The battery life on this device is rated to have about 14 hours of battery life, which is a big improvement from the predecessor if the numbers hold to be true. And on the front is this 13.9 inches display that gives you a resolution of 3000 x 2000 pixels at an aspect ratio of 3:2. The laptop does have a lightweight, it's not that heavy, and also it still feels solid. And on the other side of the keyboard, there are the speakers for the sound output. And again, the most interesting part of this laptop was that camera that pops out from the function key, the one that is present just between the F6 and F7, and it pops out whenever you press it hard. So this was a quick hands-on with the Huawei's Matebook X Pro that was launched at Barcelona in an event around the MWC 2018. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions about this laptop, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.